Do you love reading books? Want to talk about your favorite book in English like a native? Stay with us and learn natural sentences you can use with anyone. Hey, Sarah, are you reading a new book?
Yes, I love reading in my free time.
Nice. What's your favorite book of all time?
That's a hard question. But I think my favorite is Harry Potter.
Oh, that's a classic. Why do you love it?
The story is magical and full of adventure.
True. The characters are unforgettable.
Exactly. I feel like they are my friends.
Did you read all the books in the series?
Yes, I read them more than once.
Wow, you must really love it.
I do. What about you?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
Oh, I've heard of it, but never read it.
It's amazing. It's about following your dreams.
That sounds inspiring.
It is. It changed the way I think.
Really? In what way?
It taught me to believe in myself.
That's powerful. I like books with meaning.
Same. Do you prefer fiction or nonfiction?
Mostly fiction, but sometimes I read self-help books.
Nice. I enjoy self-help books too.
Do you read every day?
I try to read at least 20 minutes daily.
That's a good habit.
Do you read in the morning or at night?
Usually at night before bed.
Me too. It helps me relax.
What's the last book you finished?
A mystery novel. It was really exciting.
Oh, I love mystery books.
Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I love J.K. Rowling and Colleen Hoover.
Nice choices. They write great stories.
Who is your favorite author?
Paulo Coelho, definitely.
I should read more of his books.
You should. His writing is beautiful.
Do you prefer physical books or ebooks?
I like physical books. I love the smell of paper.
Same here. It feels more real.
But ebooks are easier to carry.
True, especially when traveling.
Do you go to libraries or bookstores?
I love bookstores. They make me happy.
Me too. I can spend hours there.
Have you ever cried because of a book?
Yes. Some stories are so emotional.
Same. Books can touch the heart.
Do you ever recommend books to friends?
All the time. I love sharing good books.
Same here. Good stories should be shared.
Do you want to exchange books sometime?
That's a great idea.
I'll bring my favorite one for you.
And I'll bring mine for you.
Can't wait to read it.
Me too. Talking about books is so fun.